Hello viewers, so let's work out this amazing maths Olympiad problem. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, so I shall be quick as possible. So we have 4 to the power of a is equals to 72. So 72 being a whole number, 4 being a base, a being an index, it is difficult to express it into the base of 4. So now we shall introduce the log from both sides by having now the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 72. So here we shall now say that when we have the log of a to the power of b, this one can also be expressed as b log a. So let's express the log of 4 to the power of a in this form. So now we shall now have a log 4 is equals to the log of 72. So here now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 4 by now saying that divide by the log of 4, here also divide by the log of 4. So the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel, so a is equals to the log of 72 all over the log of 4. So that is not the correct answer. We can still go ahead and continue working it out by now having now a is equals to the log of 72 can also be written as we shall now have 4 multiplied by 18 all over the log of 4. So a now is equals to the log of 4 plus the log of 18 all over the log of 4. So why have we worked it out here? Simply because suppose we have something like the log of AB, we shall now end up with the log of A plus the log of B. So that's why we have converted the log of 4 times 8 into this form of log A plus the log of B. So let's proceed from here. Now we shall now have, so we shall now split and say that A is equals to the log of 4 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 18 all over again the log of 4. So A is equals to the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 plus the log of 18 all over the log of 4. So we can still factorize the log of 18 by now saying that our value for A, so A is equals to 1 plus the log of 18 shall be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 9, or we can talk of 2 multiplied by 9, so all over the log of 4. So the log of 4 can also be expressed as the log of 2 to the power of 2. So A is equals to, now here we shall now say that A is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 plus the log of 9 all over. So the log of 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2 log 2. So we shall divide 2 log 2 the whole of this. So now A is equals to 1 plus, so 1 plus the log of 2 all over 2 log 2 plus the log of 9. So the log of 9 can be expressed as the log of 3 to the power of 2, because 3 times 3 is 9 all over 2 log 2 log 2. So now our A, so let's rewrite it, 1 plus the log of 2 all over 2 log 2 plus, so log of 3 to the power of 2 we shall have 2 log 3 all over 2 log 2. So now our value in this case of A is equals to 1 plus, so this one now shall be the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel. Now we shall have 1 plus 1 over 2 plus, so 2 and 2 shall cancel. Now we shall have the log of 3 all over the log of 2. So when you work out this problem, we shall now say A is equals to, so 1 plus a half, we shall now have 3 over 2 plus the log of 3 all over the log of 2. So suppose we have the log of A all over the log of B, we shall have the log of A to the base of B. So now A is equals to 3 over 2, so A is equals to 3 over 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 2. So this one now finally is the correct answer.